Hey, what's going on, video world? As you know, this is my old. This bike is this is actually a 2000. No, correction. This is actually a 2000 Suzuki Hayabusa, that burgundy and that red, and this thing is just old, but I put a new motor in this thing. I've been working on it for 4 days straight, and I just put me a new motor in this thing, and man, I'm hoping this thing here really works out. This thing was a monster to get degreed in. It took me, it fought with me for, a good 4 hours to get this thing to shimmed right and degreed in, but it's in there. So anyway, like in all my videos, bye-bye.